Hi, everybody. This is Steve Maggi from SMA Law Firm. I'm here with Cal Patel from FL Patel Law in St. Petersburg, Florida, a corporate law guru who works with a lot of foreign startups and entrepreneurs. And Cal, thank you so much for being with us.
Thanks for having me, Steve. Hi, everyone.
So, big question that comes up, and it's a major hurdle for a lot of my clients as well as yours. They've decided to expand their operations to the US. They want to incorporate, but if they can't be here physically or they don't reside here, how do they set up a bank account for the company?
That's a great question, Steve. And it can be very challenging for non-US residents to open up a bank account in the United States, but there are a few options available. And so, first thing is getting an EIN number from the IRS. So you can get an EIN number, a tax ID number, without having a social security number. So once you get the EIN number, then, usually what a lot of banks will do is they'll have you visit them in person to be able to sign on the account as a signatory to be able to open a bank account. And so if you can't make it here, one of the things that a lot of banks do is they'll allow you to open up bank accounts using, online banks, which have really came into prevalence over the past couple of years. So, search for these online banks that will allow you to set up bank accounts. Reach out to us. We have some banks that some of our clients have had success with that we can provide, their information over to you. The second thing is, if you have a US-based partner or someone here in the US, a family member or relative who's willing to work with you in your company, in your, US-based operations, even maybe temporarily to kind of help you set up a bank account, that's also a possibility. A third thing is potentially getting a B1 visa or a B2 visa or one of the business tourist visas,
Yes.
And then coming to the US, for a temporary purpose and then opening up a bank account while you're there. So a lot of people that's probably the most common way, they'll take their family on vacation and just, while they're here, get that bank account set up. And then the fourth way, this one is a bit more complex, and this is, where you hire an independent director for your company, which is the third-party company, which acts as a professional fiduciary of your company, and they'll open up the bank account as a limited director or manager of your company. But that can get a little expensive, but doable and possible.
It's great to know. It's nice to see things trending in a more virtual way too, because that does facilitate things a lot more easily for our clients that are overseas and many times just for different sets of reasons can't be here to actually open the bank account themselves. So if you have potential clients out there or foreign nationals who want to expand to the US, set up their companies, obviously they can do that with you. And if they have questions also about the bank account and all the other important, seemingly simple steps, but extremely important steps in getting to the point where they can apply for a visa through the company, how do they get in touch with you?
Yeah, so they can go to our website, flpatellaw.com, and fill out the contact form or use the chat feature to get in touch with us. And one of our staff members will schedule a consultation. We offer a complimentary consultation for anyone that's interested in setting up their business in the US. And we'll be happy to talk to them and guide them through the process and answer some questions they might have about it.
Fantastic. Thanks so much, Cal, for your knowledge and for your time.
Of course, Steve. Thanks for having me.